Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to second part of our video series on the divine names of Allah. In the previous video, we explored the meaning and significance of various beautiful names of Allah, deepening our understanding of His attributes and how they guide us in our lives. In this part, we will continue our journey by exploring more of these divine names. Let's dive into the profound meanings behind each name and how they inspire us to live with purpose and devotion. The divine names of Allah. Al-Musawwir. Al-Musawwir means the fashioner or the shaper. Allah is the ultimate artist and designer, creating everything in a perfect beauty and harmony. This name reminds us of Allah's creative ability and encourages us to appreciate the beauty in the world around us. Al-Ghaffar. Al-Ghaffar means the forgiving. Allah is the one who repeatedly forgives our sins and shortcomings. This name reminds us of Allah's boundless mercy and invites us to seek His forgiveness and strive for self-improvement. Al-Qahhar. Al-Qahhar means the subduer or the dominant. Allah has the absolute power and control over all things. This name reminds us of Allah's sovereignty and urges us to submit to His will with humility and awe. Al-Wahhab. Al-Wahhab means the bestower of gifts. Allah is the generous giver who bestows blessings and favors upon His creations. This name reminds us of Allah's abundant generosity and encourages us to be grateful for His blessings. Ar-Razzaq. Ar-Razzaq means the provider. Allah is the sustainer and provider of all needs. This name reminds us to rely on Allah for our sustenance and to be mindful of sharing our blessings with others. Al-Fattah. Al-Fattah means the opener or the judge. Allah is the one who opens doors and grants success and victory. This name reminds us to seek Allah's guidance in our pursuits and trust in His divine judgment. Al-Alim. Al-Alim means the all-knowing. Allah's knowledge encompasses everything, both seen and unseen. This name reminds us of Allah's profound wisdom and encourages us to seek knowledge and understanding. Al-Qabizu. Al-Qabizu means the constructor or the withholder. Allah has control over all things and has the power to withhold our strict provisions. This name reminds us of our dependence on Allah and encourages us to be content with what we have. Al-Basit. Al-Basit means the expander or the enlarger. Allah has the power to expand and open doors of blessings and opportunities. This name reminds us of Allah's ability to provide aid and relief in times of difficulty. Al-Khafizu. Al-Khafizu means the abaser or the humiliator. Allah has the power to bring down the arrogant and humble the proud. This name reminds us of the importance of modesty and reminds us to seek Allah's pleasure rather than worldly recognition. Thank you for watching this video on exploring the divine names of Allah. We hope that this journey has deepened your understanding and appreciation of Allah's attributes and characteristics. Remember that these names are not just words, but it means to connect with Allah and seek His blessings. If you haven't watched part 1 of this series yet, we highly recommend checking it out to explore the first set of names. You can find the link in the description below. May Allah bless us and guide us on the path of righteousness. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Assalamu alaikum.
يا من صليت بكل الأنبياء، يا من في قلبك رحمة للناس، يا من